Okay, so my name is Paul Makem, and I'm a technician here in Sennheiser. I've been here for 17 years, and I work on the automated lines. I'm an avid music listener. I listen to likes of Miles Davis, or maybe John Coltrane, Bill Evans, who's my favourite. And when you listen to that through your headphones, it's not just the sound you're listening to, but you can get a feeling what the likes of Evans and Davis were trying to do. Yeah, it's very important that sound quality comes through. My daughter has been playing a harp for 10 years, and it's Irish harp, so I love listening to that. Sound, the production of sound, and using the right equipment to listen to the sound is really important. I am proud to work on Sennheiser, yes, I am. I never get tired telling people about it. It's amazing that the knowledge that we have here is nowhere else.